Welcome to the Best Picks. The best plate adhesive is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of a successful 3D print, but trust me, it's a game changer. From preventing warping to ensuring your creation stays firmly rooted to the build plate, the right adhesive can make or break your project. Today, we're diving deep into the world of 3D printer plate adhesives, exploring what makes them tick and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Magigoo MO 2018 3D Printer Adhesive Glue. This adhesive glue works with a wide range of filaments, including PLA, PETG, TPU, ABS, ASA, and HIPS. It ensures reliable adhesion for consistent and better results. It's compatible with various 3D printers and accessories. It provides strong adhesion for glass plates, flex plates, PEI, build tack, and Captain build plates. This glue securely holds your 3D printing filament during printing, preventing any shifting. It's a must-have accessory for all 3D printers. Applying this glue is simple, just shake, press, and apply to the printing area. It sticks seamlessly to the printer bed, preventing warping. Once the plate cools, it releases the print easily, and cleanup is a breeze with just water. This adhesive offers strong performance for over 230 prints. It creates a reliable bond on various surfaces. You can use it multiple times for a consistent, mess-free experience. This 3D printer glue is non-flammable and safe for your projects. It provides a secure bond without any harmful fumes, making it suitable for any environment. Trust it for safe and reliable 3D printing. What we like. This adhesive is a true all-rounder, working with a wide variety of filaments. It ensures a strong bond on various build surfaces, making it incredibly versatile. If you are looking for a reliable solution for all your printing needs, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Parts stick like build tack when it's hot, and nearly float off when below 30 C. With the Magigoo, I've been able to put an even layer on and launch about 5 to 10 prints without touching the bed. Doesn't smell like chemical or leave an odor on the model after you rinse it with water. Number 4. MO 2016 All-in-One 3D Printer Adhesive Glue. This versatile glue is perfect for ABS, PLA, PETG, HIPS, and TPU filaments. It ensures your creations stay in place throughout the printing process, making it essential for all your 3D printing needs. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, it guarantees smooth results. This glue stick works seamlessly on various build surfaces like flex plate, glass, PEI, and more. Its advanced formula ensures a secure grip for consistent, high-quality prints. It provides reliable performance across every 3D printing surface. Applying this glue is effortless, just shake, press, and apply. It bonds seamlessly, reducing warping and delivering stable results. It easily releases prints once cooled and cleans up with water, making it a staple for all 3D enthusiasts. Delivering over 100 prints, this glue is built to last through multiple uses. It's perfect for all 3D printing materials, especially ABS, PLA, PETG, HIPS, and TPU filaments. It provides ideal durability while remaining easy to apply. This glue is designed with your safety in mind, being completely odorless and non-flammable. It's ideal for home, office, or educational settings, including workshops with kids. It delivers consistent results for all your projects. What we like. This glue stick is designed for ease of use and compatibility with many filaments and surfaces. It's easy to apply and provides a strong bond, reducing warping and ensuring stable results. If you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, it will make your printing experience much smoother. What people say. Parts stick like build tack when it's hot, and nearly float off when below 30 C. With the Magigoo, I've been able to put an even layer on and launch about 5 to 10 prints without touching the bed. Doesn't smell like chemical or leave an odor on the model after you rinse it with water. Number 3. DOBSTFY 3D Printer Build Surface, 4-pack. This 3D printer build surface comes in a pack of 4, each measuring 12 by 12 inches. It's designed to fit a wide range of popular 3D printers, ensuring a perfect match for your heated bed. Made from high-strength, heat-resistant material, this surface can withstand temperatures up to 240 degrees Celsius. The durability is similar to PEI sheets, but it is much more affordable. It's also flame resistant and produces low smoke. Installing this build plate is a breeze. Simply remove the 3M adhesive backing and stick it onto your heated bed. You can also secure it with clips. It's designed to provide excellent results. This 3D printer heatbed platform sheet is compatible with a variety of filaments. You can use it with ABS, PLA, HIPS, PET+, and more. You can reuse it for multiple prints. We are confident that you will love this product. It comes with lifetime technical support and 24-hour professional customer service. If you have any issues, we are here to help. What we like. This build surface is a great value, offering a pack of 4 sheets that are easy to install and remove. If you have a large printer or frequently print, this will be a great choice. What people say. The adhesive surface works wonders for keeping the first layer stuck to the bed, and it's perfect for Ender 3 models. It offers just the right amount of grip, so my prints don't warp or come loose. Adhesion is good. Number 2. FYSETC glue sticks for 3D printer bed. This glue stick works with all 3D printer hotbeds. It is compatible with various build plates and materials, ensuring your prints stick firmly. It is a must-have for any 3D printing enthusiast. This removable glue stick prevents warping and ensures a smooth printing process. It provides excellent adhesion, and the residue is easy to clean up. Remember to keep it sealed to prevent drying. Applying this glue stick is simple, just spread it on the active printing area. It offers good first layer adhesion and is easy to remove buildup. Cleaning the residue is also easy, keeping your print sheet in good condition. This non-toxic, acid-free glue stick lasts for many prints. It helps parts adhere to the build plate during printing, offering a better solution than other adhesives. It is a reliable choice for your 3D printing needs. This 3D printer bed adhesive is great not only for 3D printing, but also for arts and crafts. It is portable and convenient to handle. This is a versatile tool for all your creative projects. What we like. This glue stick offers wide compatibility and is easy to use, making it a great choice for various projects. It provides excellent adhesion and is easy to clean up. If you like a simple and effective solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Applying a light coat of glue most often solves the problem. I remove the stick glue with water, and then alcohol. Providing excellent adhesion for my prints on the build plate. Its easy application and strong grip helped prevent warping and ensured a smooth printing process, making it a must-have accessory for successful 3D printing projects. Number 1. Layerneer 3D Printer Adhesive Glue. This adhesive provides a strong grip, perfect for ABS, ASA, PLA, and PETG filaments. It helps to reduce warping, ensuring your prints come out perfectly every time. It works like magic. Based on science, this coating makes parts stick when hot and release when cooled. Check the compatibility image to ensure it works with your build plate surface. It's designed for optimal performance. You can print several times with a single coating. Simply recharge it with a wet sponge for more prints. It's cost-effective, costing only pennies per print. It has no harsh smells, so no headaches. It's easy to touch up or remove with water. This makes it user-friendly and easy to clean. The built-in foam tip makes applying the coating simple. It won't accidentally spill, ensuring a clean and easy application process. It's designed for convenience. If you're not satisfied, we're here to help. We've assisted both hobbyists and professionals with adhesion and release issues. We are committed to your satisfaction. What we like. This adhesive uses a thermodynamic coating that works like magic, ensuring parts stick when hot and release when cooled. It's long-lasting, low odor, and easy to clean up with water. If you are looking for a hassle-free experience with minimal mess, you should consider this. What people say. It's easy to apply, and a little goes a long way. I've used it on glass, PEI, and other surfaces, and it works flawlessly every time. Prints stick firmly during the job but release easily once the bed cools, no more struggling to remove prints or worrying about warping. The sponge applicator prevents too much product from coming out and makes it very easy to apply the product only where needed. This adhesive makes for easy and consistent 3D prints. I don't have to worry about adjusting my bed heights or constantly applying glue or tape. With very rare exceptions, first layers are consistent with no warping lifting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.